I'm going to show you how to make your playlist public on Spotify. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So basically all you need to do is open Spotify and go to your library right here, and you will find the playlist. So choose the playlist you want. In my case, I only have this one. Click there and you will see these three dots. So if you tap there, you will see the option almost at the bottom to make public. So if you click there, now the playlist is public and everyone can see it. So if someone goes to your Spotify profile, they can see that playlist, and you can also share it by clicking this icon. And then right here, you can share your Spotify playlist, or you also have this option to copy the link, so you can share the link to your playlist to anyone you want. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.